Hey guys, it's Jules here from Safire. Today I'm going to be walking you through RaceCraft Pro, our sim racing telemetry analysis app. It helps sim racers set faster laps, drive more consistently, and improve quickly. In the next few minutes, we'll start a session, look at real-time telemetry, then deep dive to a past race session, compare laps, racing lines, and finish with an auto-generated report. For this demo, I'm using F1 2021. I'll open New Session and select Start Session. The real-time dashboard appears. You'll see live plots for speed, throttle, brake, steering, and a track map with a live marker. The marker shows exactly where the driver is around the track. These plots give the insights a race engineer needs to spot strengths and mistakes and give instant feedback. Over here, we have a lap-by-lap table updating as the data streams in. For today, the feed is accelerated, so you can see the laps rolling in quickly. I'll end this live session so we can analyze a previous run. I'll go to the data view. Here's a history of my previous sessions. I'll open up this race in Bahrain in a Ferrari. We land on the Session Details tab, where I can see the lap times, sector splits, tire compounds, and more. I'll select Show Plots. This gives a graphical view of the metrics you just saw, organized by lap. I can scroll through the laps to see how the performance changed over the run. Now for the deep dive. Analyze Telemetry gives us a dashboard of plots, a track map, and a table of headline metrics per lap. To compare laps, I'll select 2 laps in the table. The graphs update instantly with overlay traces. I can scrub this slider to see the exact values at any moment: speed, throttle, brake, steering, and more. Over here is a lap delta, showing the time gained or lost versus a reference lap along the lap distance. That makes it obvious as to where I'm faster and where I'm giving time away. Let's zoom into the braking zone for turn 1. You can see the brake application, the minimum speed, the throttle pickup for each lap right on top of each other. If I want different signals, I can click the plot metrics. For this demo, I've got a handful selected, but in production, you can choose from the full metric set and then recompose a dashboard. I'll open the car setup. Here you can see the setup values side by side for the laps we're comparing. In races, under park firmware conditions, adjustments are limited, typically fuel load, front wing, and differential settings. The differences here can help explain the difference in balance and traction changes. On the top, I can swap the comparison to an AI baseline. I'll pick the Red Bull at 110% AI strength in race trim. You can see that AI was up to 5.3 seconds a lap quicker around Bahrain. That's a clear benchmark for where I need to improve. I can zoom the plots to see exactly where the AI pulls time, braking points, minimum speed, throttle timing, etc. On the track map, racing lines for each lap are overlaid. The AI is solid, my line is dotted. I can color the line by metric. I can switch to throttle, braking, steering, etc. The color gradient will change to show the braking application per lap. Zooming in, you can see where my line deviates from that of the AI. I was too narrow on the entry here and understeered wide on corner exit. This gives me an insight as to what to change for the next stint. I can click on View Report and generate a free text analysis of the lap. We break the lap up into phases, from the first application of the brake to 100% full throttle. Phase 1 over here covers turns 1, 2, and 3. The summary says I lost about 1 second through this phase. I braked about 24 meters earlier than the AI, with a lower peak braking force and reduced braking efficiency. There's also a racing line summary describing the line choice through the corner complex. I can step through the phases to see where games are available and what to try next. So for a quick recap, RaceCraft Pro gives teams real-time visibility, lap-by-lap analysis, AI and lap comparisons, racing line insights, and a natural language report that you can act on. We're currently in beta and will be generally available in the coming weeks. If you'd like early access, I'd be happy to add you to the beta so you can help analyze your own laps. Thanks for watching.